Let me share with you how to make super simple, low-calorie breakfast. We are creating a delicious and nutritious egg muffin sandwich that is both deeply satisfying and genuinely good for you. Start by cracking 2 large eggs into a mixing bowl that's about 100 grams. This will be the fluffy, protein-packed foundation of our breakfast sandwich. For texture and sweetness, add 30 grams of shredded potato and 30 grams of thin red bell pepper strips. The potato gives a soft heartiness, while the pepper adds a lovely color and a sweet crunch. Season the mixture with a 2-gram pinch of salt. This might seem like a small step, but it's essential for bringing all the natural flavors of the eggs and vegetables to life. Here is the key step for a perfect cook. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and let it get fully hot. You should feel a consistent heat rising from the surface before you add anything. Once the pan is hot, add just 5 milliliters of cold oil. A quick spray is perfect. Immediately pour in your egg mixture. This technique gives you a beautiful, even cook without any sticking. As the edge is set, but the center is still soft. Place 120 grams slice of yellow cheddar cheese right on top. The residual heat will begin to melt it gently into the eggs. Place a lid over the pan and reduce the heat to low. Let it steam gently for 3 minutes. This gently cooks the top of the eggs and melts the cheese perfectly without burning the bottom. Once cooked, slide that beautiful cheesy egg onto 1/2 of a whole wheat English muffin. Add a generous handful of fresh creams for a fresh, crisp crunch that contrasts beautifully with the warm egg. And there you have it, a low-calorie, nutrient-packed breakfast muffin that is full of flavor and perfectly satisfying. This is the kind of healthy start that truly tastes amazing and will power you through your morning.